We'll help you create a trendy edit in Capcut PC free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
In order to create a trendy edit, go to the Import tab on Capcut PC, top left hand screen. Scroll to the right and click Templates next to Adjustment. Underneath here, you want to click the For You page and click in the search bar, type in Trend space edit. And basically you want to locate a trend edit that has pictures or photos that you would like to replace. Basically like this one right here, see? There's different photos or things we would have to replace. Perfect. We can add to the favorite or we can drag it on the video timeline like so. And as you can see, if you click here, 9 clips need to be replaced. And now you want to click and replace each and every separate photo or image of your own choice. And then now once you're happy or satisfied with all your images choices, if you are happy with the current audio track for this trendy edit, this is what we have. If you want, you can right click the video piece to replace it with your own audio track and click Extract Audio. Now you can delete the audio track. As you can see, we still have our images of this trendy edit in Capcut PC. Drag the audio track you would like to replace. In this case, I already have one. And this is what we have. Completely for free, you created a trendy edit in Capcut PC.